Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to enable mention request notifications from everyone on Instagram, right from your PC. With this new update, you won't miss a mention from your friends, followers, or anyone else on the platform. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your computer. Make sure you're logged in. Next, look for the More icon, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click on it to reveal a menu. Now, from this menu, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience to suit your needs. Once you're in the settings, navigate to Notifications. In the Notifications menu, you will see various options for how you want to be notified about different activities on your account. Click on Push Notifications. Now, here's the important part. Look for the section labeled Mention Requests. By default, Instagram may limit mention notifications to just your connections. To change that, select From Everyone. This setting ensures you receive mention requests from all users on Instagram, not just those you follow. And that's it. You've successfully enabled mention request notifications from everyone on Instagram on your PC. Now you can stay updated and engaged with all the interactions happening on your profile. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.